Great Western is primarily a paper and janitorial supply company. We help custodians keep buildings clean and safe. And we help people by having the great products, having the great knowledge, but we also go out and train people in their buildings just so we can keep the community safe and healthy.
What makes us different from other supply companies would be our genuine concern for the customer and their facilities, and how driven we are to make sure that they're satisfied and happy, and that we are driven to make sure that the community is also well served, whether it's through janitorial supplies or other kinds of help and services that we can provide.
We offer local service. We answer phones in person. We don't have an automated system. And we are a family, and so our family supports someone else's families and their businesses.
We work hard for making sure the customer, the products they need, that we deliver them on time. We're there to help train those people. We just don't give them a product and then leave them in the limbo. We go in, we train them, we make sure that they're comfortable in using these products and making sure that everything is there. It kind of goes to our core values, which happens to be love, respect, honesty, and hard work.
Going out and selling toilet paper alone can sound boring to a lot of people, but when you really focus on forging relationships and operate inside of love, respect, honesty, and hard work in the workplace, and take that out of the workplace, it's a lot of fun.
What I love about working here at Great Western is not only learning about the products and services that we have, but also becoming an important part of our community and their families.
Selling towels and cleaning supplies is fine, however, it's an empty life if we simply do it for a profit. So we have all embodied our community outreach, where we spend time in the community serving food, helping, donating our time and money, and that's, to me, that's the thing that counts the most.
The relationship that I build with my customers, I can't tell you how many weddings that I've been to, how many graduations that I have been to, how many birthday parties I've been to, all because of the friends that we build in this business. It is not about just having a customer, it is about making friends with these customers. And over the years, it has been fantastic.
Great Western Supply is known for paper and janitorial supplies, but I really hope what everyone understands about Great Western is we're here to help.